Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to share or how to post your Instagram live video after your video is ended. Live video is ended. Just I have ended my live here, okay, on Instagram. So as soon as it's ended, you can see there is a options, Discord, view insights, and then there is a share button. So simply you can just share it, okay, and you can name it whatever you want according to the video. I just named the title, and if you want to change the thumbnail, you can change it and then give done. Okay, everything looks cool. If you want to add any of this, you can just add it and then just simply share it. So it will be posted under your post, so you can check that on your profile, and here it will be posted. It started uploading, okay, and if you skip that option, again you can take that live videos, okay, it will be saved temporarily. So in order to retrieve that, you need to click on this hamburger menu and here go to archive. Here, whatever you have conducted the live, it will be displaying here. So this year I have only one video, so click on that. So here you can tap it, and if you want you can download it or you can again share it. So that's it, friends. You can name it, you can name the title, and you can share it. So this is the way you can just post your live videos after your live video is ended. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedback in the video forms. Thank you, bye, and take care.